All right, so I'm probably going to offend a lot of people with this, but I'm sorry, it needs to be said. If you're looking to create a full-time income online, if you're looking to replace your 9-to-5 income in 2023, and this is probably going to piss off a lot of gurus, but no, you do not need to invest 2,500, 5K, or even 10K. You do not need to sell your kidney before you can start making an income online. I actually give away my entire blueprint for free, and this side hustle that I'm using right here is literally netting me over $100 a day in residual income, and I give away my entire blueprint for free. You can decide for yourself before you even give out your email whether or not this is a fit for you. So if you want to see exactly how I create a full-time income online, I give out my entire blueprint right here. You can check it out by going to the URL on screen. Either type this in or tap the bottom of the screen. It'll take you right over here, and I will show you over my shoulder, step by step, exactly how you can create a full-time income working as little as 1 hour a day from that device. And if you have any questions, I leave my phone number on these videos, so you can check it out right here, see if it's a fit for you. And if you have any questions, reach out to me, send me a text. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, go right here right now, and I'll show you exactly how to get started.